Hello, I am Nicolette. So I just finished reading the Hutsy and Jackson article, and the question is to provide alternative ways to use each of the four strategies. So the four strategies are mystery canisters, window panes, hardness scale, and the bag and tag word wall. So an alternative usage for the mystery canisters would be instead of using canisters to explore the state of matter, you could adapt this activity for teaching sound waves. For example, use canisters filled with different materials to create a range of sounds when shaken. So, for example, some great materials would be beads, rice, water. Students could categorize the canisters based on the pitch or volume of the sound, and then relate their findings to the concepts of frequency and amplitude in sound waves. For window panes, an alternate usage would be, instead of focusing on properties of matter, the window pane strategy could be used to teach plant life cycles. So each plane could represent a different stage of the cycle. For example, seed, growth, reproduction, etc. Students would draw the stage, write a definition, and include key facts, reinforcing their understanding through visual and textual elements. An alternative usage for the hardness scale. This activity could be adapted for teaching electrical conductivity. Instead of hardness, students could test and classify various materials, such as metals, plastic, rubber, on a scale from good conductor to poor conductor. This would help them understand the concept of conductivity and the properties of conductors and insulators. And finally, for the bag and tag word wall, the alternative usage would be, instead of using it solely for properties of matter, the bag and tag word wall could be adapted for an ecology unit. So students could bring in items from nature, leaves, feathers, rocks, acorns, and tag them with vocabulary words like photosynthesis, biodiversity, habitat. And this would just help them to connect physical objects with abstract ecological concepts. So these alternative approaches can maintain the multi-sensory engagement of the original strategies while applying them to different scientific concepts.